Hello friends! Friendsgiving is right around the corner, and so I thought I would give you some inspiration for sweet treats that you could share with your friends this holiday season. Things are a bit different, so you're probably not spending as much time with as large of a group of people, and you might have to go to several houses or apartments and able to visit everybody for the holidays. Usually when I go to parties and get-togethers, I bring desserts, and especially around the holiday season, I do a lot of pies. This year, it's not really convenient to carry around a bunch of different pies to a bunch of different places, so I decided to come up with an alternative to that. That's why this year I'm switching it up and turning one of the most popular pies that I make into cookies so that I can carry them easily, give them to people, and it's not really going to be a burden to share them. Today I will be showing you how I make pecan thumbprints to replace pecan pie. Definitely let me know down in the comments below how things have changed for your holiday and how you're adjusting your holiday recipes and get-togethers for the fact that we're all pretty much still stuck in the house right now. For the pecan pie thumbprint cookies, I'm using a base of a sugar cookie with pecan pie filling. And for that we'll need softened butter, sugar, milk, lemon juice, vanilla extract, flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And for the filling, confectioner's sugar, a little more butter, corn syrup, molasses, milk, and pecans chopped. I'm going to mix my dry ingredients, the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt in a bowl. Then, in my mixing bowl, I'm going to cream together my butter and sugar. Once that's done, I'll mix in my milk, lemon juice, and vanilla extract. Finally, I'll add my flour to that as well and give it another good mix. Now it's just on to scooping my dough and popping it in the oven for about 20 minutes at 350. Before you put your sugar cookie dough for the pecan pie cookies into the oven, take your thumb or a teaspoon and make an indentation in the center of your dough ball. That way there's a nice little cup to hold the pecan pie filling that we're going to add in later. Once they're done baking, you will take them out of the oven and let them cool. For the filling, we're going to combine the powdered sugar, butter, molasses, and milk, and cornstarch in a pan and let it come to a rolling boil over medium heat. Be sure to stir it occasionally to make sure that nothing gets burned and stuck to the bottom of the pan. Then we'll take it off of the heat and stir in our pecans. Finally, it's just time to fill the pecan cookies and give them a try. My cookies are out of the oven and it is time to try them. I'll just show you what they look like first. My beautiful, beautiful pecan cookies. I'm really excited to try these. They did spread a bit, which is fine. They're still soft, and I just like looking at the pecan pie filling on top. I'm very excited to try it. Now, it's time to try the pecan pie. Dropped it. It's so good. It's so good. It's so good, baby. It's so good. Instead of it's no good. You get it. This cookie tastes really good. I want to keep eating it, but it's really, really good. It's not too sweet, and the topping is just soft and delicious. I'm going to be sharing this one with my friends for sure. Let me finish chewing. but genuinely they just taste really good and they're soft. I'm gonna put the pecan pie recipe on my Ko-Fi for y'all to check out because holy cannolis, it's great. It is freaking great. Thanks for joining me for another YouTube video. I really hope that I gave you some inspiration and that you have a new offering to share with your friends on any holiday and your family, anytime that you want to make them something special. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already if you want more vegan food and travel content. What are some of your favorite holiday and celebration foods and treats that you like to share with your family and friends? Let me know down in the comments below. Until next time, eat well and travel often. I'll see you in the next video. Hello friends! Friendsgiving is right around the corner and I thought I'd share some sweet treats that you can bring. Fiddle stiff. In the past when I've gone to get together